style and big beauty flow. I'm trying to show you a little something you ain't seen before. With your pretty brown eyes and your real soft skin. Why don't you open up your heart and let me in? I'm like a soldier, girl.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe inside of their houses. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see how I create this bomb ass makeup look, then continue watching. Hey guys, to start off, I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just using this to prime all over my face. And I'm also going to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13. And I'm actually going to try this technique that I tried in the previous makeup video a couple days ago, where you highlight and contour under your foundation. So if this looks super crazy, don't judge me. This is literally now my second time trying this. So now I'm just going to place this concealer all over where I want every place on my face to be highlighted. And then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 6, not 16. And I'm going to start blending that around the perimeter of my face. Now this is going to look super crazy. I actually decided to contour my nose today, which I literally never do, or I do, but I will do it with powder. But today I figured, what the heck. So I'm just going to put my highlighter and my contour on underneath my foundation. Then I'm applying my Makeup Forever foundation in the shade 173, also known as Y445. And I'm just applying that on the light spots first, using a brush to pat that into my skin. You don't want to drag it just because you don't want to disrupt what you have going on underneath. So I was just extra careful to make sure that I just patted that into the skin. And then I'm going to go start blending that onto the darker shades. So I do the lighter parts first, and what I'm learning is do the darker parts last. I will say in this video, it's not perfect. I'm still learning this technique, but I don't have anybody to teach it to me, so I want to keep trying it until I get better at it, because I just want to start doing this under my foundation. Just because sometimes when you highlight and contour on top of your foundation, you can see those harsh lines. It does look amazing in pictures, but in real life it doesn't look good, and I want to look good in real life and in pictures. So I'm just trying out this new technique. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place powder in the shade Gobi. This is darker than the one I usually use. I usually use the Sacha Buttercup or the Laura Mercier Dark Deep, but I decided to go in with this one, and this actually could be used as a face powder, which I realized after I applied it, but because I purchased it, I want to try it out. And now I'm just reiterating my contour by going in with the BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm using the two darkest shades just to marry everything together. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and we are going to start doing the eyes. Quickly before I forget, after I used the brush, I actually did go in with the Beauty Blender to blend the rest of my face, and then I dusted away the powder with a powder brush. So now I'm just going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 4, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelids. And I'm going to be using a palette that I actually bought, I think, 2 years ago for Black Friday and never opened. So this is the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm just going in with Bintou, which is that burgundy shade, on a blending brush. And I'm going to start applying that on the outer corner of my eye. Once that's built up to the point where I feel like it's dark enough, I'm going to use another brush, and I'm going to go in with Cote, the Ivory. I believe that's how you say it. If not, I'm so sorry. And I'm just going to use that to put in the middle of my lid. And then after that, I'm going in with the color Aya, which is yellow, and I'm placing that in the middle, or in the center of my eye. Sorry guys. So now I'm just going in with the blending brush that has nothing on it. I'm just blending out the outer corners of that look. And then I'm going in the inner corner with Angelique, which is that shimmer shade. So now I'm just using my Inglot number 77 gel liner on a angle brush that I actually got from my local AC Moore. And I'm just using that to create a wing liner. This took me about 2 minutes in real time, but you just want to make sure that you're taking your time and you're creating your lines the way you want to, and you don't rush, because I find it when I rush my wing liner, it always comes out crazy. So I'm going to do the same thing to the next eye. And when I'm done, I'm just going to use my Morphe setting spray just to set everything in place. So now that that's all set, I'm just going in with my Juvia's Place Hair and Glow 1 highlighter on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones. Now I'm going back into my palette in the shade Niger, and I'm just going to place this on my waterline. I want this to be a very colorful look, so I decided to go in with an extra color, which is that green, and just place this along my waterline. I'm going to do this for both eyes, and then I'm also going to go back in with my Inglot 77 gel liner on an angle brush, and I'm just going to hit the waterline just to make everything nice and dark and smoky and cohesive. So now I'm just going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, blending my fake lashes with my real lashes. And now I'm just using 2 brushes by ColourPop. I'm using the Take It For Granted on the end and the Bangin brunette on the inner part of my brow. And I'm just using both of those colors to create a gradient effect. I don't like to go super crazy when I do colorful looks on my brows. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I've recently been feeling like the more natural brows have been in. So now I'm just taking a brown liner that I got from my local hair store. I don't remember the name of it. I'm so sorry, guys, but it's just a regular brown liner. And I'm just going to use some Huda Beauty Lip Crush and place this in the center of my lips. So it's that light pink color that you guys see. I wasn't really feeling it. If it was coming off too pink, so I end up just going back over that with my liner again, and then just placing my Ginger Snap Gloss by NYX. Once I was done there, I just hit the inner corner once again with Angelique, and then I used my Morphe setting spray to blend everything all together. I also put that highlight shade under my brow just to marry all everything together. And yeah, this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you were feeling this down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. This wig will be on sale, so if you want to buy her, just DM me or shoot me a quick email, and I will ship your girl off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.